Our site-based audit and inspection software uses a dynamic app to aid compliance, reduce risk, and eliminate paperwork. Your forms are faithfully recreated and customised with pick lists, tick boxes for simple and fast data capture. Comments and photos to support your findings can be added to the evidence trail. Create easy-to-read, professional-looking reports which are distributed automatically and stored online for fast and easy access. Powerful analysis tools will identify strengths and weaknesses and observe trends over time. Flexible. Schedule and customize your inspections and audits program. Automated. Email reminders and alerts to notify exceptional results as they occur. Reportable. Instant reports and comparative data analysis. Scalable. Start small and extend later to meet any site inspection and audit need. Active inspection is low risk, tried and tested, and comes with a full support package to give you complete peace of mind. Revolutionize your inspection procedure with active inspection.